started. Dramatic visuals of Mamata Banerjee arguing with Delhi police. SIR showdown that we're witnessing in Delhi. Mamata Banerjee is in Delhi, as you will recall, to meet the Election Commission chief. So there we are seeing a brawl that's broken out, an argument that's broken out there as well, a verbal altercation. Listen to this.
So I am going to Banga Bhavan to see our people and to see the atrocities of this Delhi police. When you come to Bengal, we give you the red carpet. And when you came in Delhi, you give us a black carpet. We'll show you the black result. Please restrain yourself from the atrocities, from the torture of the Bengal people who have lost their lives. If nobody fight in this country, I will fight, our party will fight. Because Delhi people doesn't know what they're doing in Bengal.
How do you think this is going to impact the SIR process?
See, SIR is taking place in so many areas. That means almost 11 states. But only the chaos is happening in the state of West Bengal. And the thing is that I would like to comment on that Mamata Banerjee's machinery is there. Those are maintaining or those are doing this SIR and all these things. So if any kind of mistakes are happening, so who should be responsible? Because Election Commission, they don't send any officer from Delhi. So those people, those are working on the ground, either BLOs. So BLOs are the state government employees. Then BDOs, those are known as AERO nowadays. And BDO means these are the Bechara Didi ka officer. So they are working there, and SDO, all these people are the state government employees. So whatever mistake is happening, that is their mistake. So who should be responsible for that? Mamata Banerjee should be responsible for those mistakes. What is the condition of BDOs and SDOs? I can just give an example to you. I have never met with my SDO in my 6 or 7 years of tenure as a public representative, because they can't meet us. They are working under the tremendous pressure. If a BDO cannot meet a BJP MLA or MP, so what kind of pressure they are?
All right, so there you can see the visuals on your screens right now as well. These are the dramatic visuals of Mamata Banerjee arguing with the Delhi police. This is the SIR showdown which has now reached Delhi. She is in Delhi, as you would recall, to meet the Election Commission chief. She's gone to Banga Bhavan in Delhi to meet those people who are alive, but their names are in dead voters list. That's what we're given to understand. This is just some of the information that we have regarding this. Remember, this is the SIR fight and the showdown that Mamata Banerjee has now brought to Delhi. So she's a woman on a mission here. And there we can see these visuals of this altercation and argument that we are seeing with the Delhi police. She is here, as you would recall, to meet the Chief Election Commissioner today sometime in the evening. Let's listen to this once again.
আমি আপনাদের চোখে আঙুল দিয়ে দেখিয়ে দিলাম দেখুন ওদিকে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে দেখুন এদিকে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে চোর তোমাদের কি চোখে আছে যখন তাদের পরিবার মারা গেছে आप लोग तो सच बात नहीं कहते हैं ये लाइव जा रहा मैडम जाने दो थैंक यू सो मच मैं आप लोगों को आयोग से क्या कहेंगे हम अभी नहीं कह सकते हैं जब जाएंगे तब कोई चीज का कोई तरीका होता है इंस्टीट्यूशन को हम डिसरेस्पेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं लेकिन हम पॉलिटिकल बात हम हमारा बात कर सकते हैं दीदी এভাবে কি আপনাদের আটকানো সম্ভব दीदी 3 बजे हम आप लोगों को बुला लेंगे लेकिन आप सोचो ये लोगों को जाग जाके ढूंढकर उसको सताना उसको टॉर्चर करना उसको एट्रोसिटीज करना ये क्या तरीका है कोई बहाना नहीं कोई सुरक्षा दिल्ली पुलिस किसी को नहीं दे सकता है दिल्ली तो एक जमींदार का जमींदारी चल रहा है दिल्ली में जमींदारी चल रहा है गरीब लोगों के लिए कोई जगह नहीं है दीदी এভাবে কি আপনাদের আটকানো সম্ভব ইলেকশন কমিশন দীদি এভাবে আপনাদের আটকানো সম্ভব
All right. Also important to note, as you of course know, Kamalika, there we are seeing Mamata Banerjee has brought this fight to Delhi, fight there with the Delhi police as well, saying that you never say the truth, but politically I will speak against the atrocities. However, I will not disrespect the institutions. Kamalika, what can you tell us?
See, again, that was the plan of Mamata Banerjee that she will go to the Election Commission today in the evening with 15 members delegation. Now, who all will be there in their delegation? Number one, Abhishek Banerjee will be there. Some MPs will be there, and people whose names who are alive, whose names are there in the dead voters list. Some of those peoples were there, and some of those families will be there whose member have died due to SIR as alleged by the TMC. Now, what Mamata Banerjee did in her very old style today, as the people who will be going with her, they were kept in Bongo Bhavan. There were huge security in both the Bongo Bhavan, one in Chanakyapuri and one in Haley Road. See, she suddenly, without getting ready, she went out with Abhishek Banerjee, and there she went to both of the Bongo Bhavans. She told the police out there that why there was so much of police out there. She also stated that when the central ministers come in Bengal, they have been given the red carpet, and why such treatment with the Bengalis who were putting up in Bongo Bhavan. Again, Mamata Banerjee is trying to put that Bengali Asmita, the torture on the Bengalis and all these things in front just before her meeting with the CEC Ganesh Kumar. Now, coming 48 hours, let me tell you, Delhi is going to be very hot with this Mamata Banerjee has in her full mood of taking the SIR issue everywhere in Delhi. What my sources are telling me, that she might go to the Supreme Court if she gets a permission to plead the case which she has done against the Election Commission. She will take these people as a member of of her delegation to meet Gyanesh Kumar. See, these are the people who are alive but whose names are there in the dead voters list. So before the elections, Mamata Banerjee in full mood to create a narrative there that see, people of Bengal are tortured, see people how things have been bad here. So that is what her politics is all about. Mamata Banerjee has always done this street politics, and as expected, she started it from today morning, and she's saying that this is an autocracy, how so much of police. She's saying that the police is disturbing those people who are staying in Mango Bhavan. So clearly a very high voltage drama is expected in coming 48 hours.
Right, of course, we're going to see a lot more developments through the course of the day as well. As you mentioned, Kamalika, there is that meeting also which we're expecting around 4 p.m. with the Chief Election Commissioner today. That's around 4 p.m. Then, of course, comes back to the point that when she talks about this fight against the SIR, she has filed a writ petition in the Supreme Court against the Election Commission of India as well. Going forward, what we're going to see, especially when you say that this is a poll-bound state and these are the high-voltage, dramatic theatrics that we're seeing right now, of course, it remains to be seen how it unfolds going forward, Kamalika.
Yeah, definitely. There's like a lot of things which is expected to take place in the in the capital of India, because Mamata Banerjee. We remember when Abhishek Banerjee, along with the delegates, he went and met the CEC. After a 1 hour meeting, he came out and he said that there will be big protests. That's what they have been saying for the last 2 months. Now Mamata Banerjee herself is in Delhi and she will be meeting the CEC. Definitely, Trinamool Congress is known for such street politics, street movements, coming out, sitting, dharna, and all these things. Quite clear, a chief minister of one of the states of India goes to Delhi. She herself goes out in the morning in the dress, which in the house dress, and she tells the police that why there was so much of deployment. Not only that, she accuses and alleges that police there was manhandling the Bengalis out there. So clearly elections on the mind. Clearly she wants to assert, she wants to create pressure in Delhi to show off that SIR is something which is not right according to Trinamool Congress. In this way of making it in 1 month, she wants to actually project in full flavor, and that's what Mamata Banerjee's street politics is, and that's what she's exerting out there in the streets of Delhi.
Absolutely, Kamalika. That being said, if I were just to sum it up going forward for our viewers as well, we also have Arun Dhanta with us. Arun, thank you so much for joining me. What can you tell us? These are the dramatic visuals that we're getting for our viewers right now as well.
Well, that's right. Mamta Banerjee has now arrived here in Heli Road in central Delhi, Banga Bhavan. Earlier, of course, she was there in Chanakyapuri, and in fact, where she had that press conference also, where she raised questions on the security outside that Banga Bhavan. Right now, quickly show you a glimpse of this. The gates are completely closed here. You can see this is the Banga Bhavan here at Heli Road, where Mamta Banerjee has gone inside. Of course, she has a long day today. She'll be meeting the Election Commission, Chief Election Commissioner today at 4 p.m. Then, of course, she will also, we know that the SIR matter, which she has raised in the Supreme Court, the petition has been filed. And remember, this is a very, very important time. This is a budget session which is going on at this point, and Mamta Banerjee choosing this period, this time, to come to Delhi and put more pressure on the BJP government. Essentially, what she's saying, the entire exercise of SIR is something which is being done for the NRC, the genuine voter, genuine people of West Bengal is being thrown out of the voting list. That's what the Election Commission is doing on the behest of BJP. These are the allegations with which Mamta Banerjee has come to Delhi, and today, as we've been reporting, that at 4 p.m. she will be meeting the Chief Election Commissioner here in the office at the Ashok Road. And of course, this visit of Mamta Banerjee is going to be very, very significant, because she wants to put more pressure on the central government, as we've already seen raising questions on the security, that why there are so many security personnel are kept outside Banga Bhavan. Remember that, as we are given to understand, that those family members who have lost their loved ones during the SIR exercise, they are also in Delhi. And she has also brought those people to Delhi whose names are cut in the SIR, but they are alive. So these are the questions which Mamta Banerjee is raising, and probably when she will be meeting the Chief Election Commissioner, she will of course be speaking on these lines. But as we've been speaking, that this is a very important time. Everybody of course is very keenly watching the development here in the Parliament session. At that point in time, Mamta Banerjee has come to Delhi, and also of course she has challenged the the SIR process in the Supreme Court. She's raising questions on the Election Commissioner there in West Bengal, and also of course pointing fingers at the Chief Election Commissioner. So a lot of drama is expected here in Delhi, as Mamta Banerjee reached in the national capital yesterday, and today of course she was there earlier in Banga Bhavan in Chanakyapuri.
Right.
This is another Banga Bhavan here at Heli Road, where Mamta Banerjee has just entered and she's inside.
Right, Kamalika, let me come to you on that as well. Of course, the day has only just begun. There's going to be so much more that we're going to see through the course of the day as well. And we're already seeing the visuals, the dramatic visuals, the arguments that have already broken out. When we talk about that meeting with the Chief Election Commissioner, what are we really expecting there? Or do you think there's just going to be more rhetoric? And are you seeing this as a pressure tactic?
Oh, absolutely. This is the pressure tactics of Mamta Banerjee, and this is what Mamta Banerjee has been doing it for the years. As an opposition leader, she has been exerting pressure in this way everywhere against the left-front government, and now she has taken the entire fight into Delhi. Number one thing, at 4 o'clock, while she, Abhishek Banerjee, along with the 13 other people who will be going and meeting the CEC, number one, those people will be there whose names are there in the dead list, who are alive. Those people will be there who, according to the TMC, has died because of SIR. And also, there will be a lot of agendas, a lot of points on which Mamta Banerjee will be talking, as what we are getting from our sources. Definitely, it is going to be a very stormy meeting, let me say, because number one, point-wise, they have come up with various points. They have actually chalked out various points, and also there are the points of the officers, like the Home Secretary has also been called for this training of as an observer. So all these issues, number one, definitely why this logical discrepancies, the names which has come up in logical discrepancy, why such things are happening. That will be the question. Why people who are alive, their names have have gone in the dead list. That questions will come up, and definitely this thing will happen, and this is going to be very stormy. That signal was given by Abhishek Banerjee when he went to meet the CC, and let me tell you, that was also 1 hour meeting. So definitely, as I was stressing on the point that coming 48 hours, Delhi's temperature is definitely is going to be high with the political influence, or the political drama of Bengal will take place in Delhi as Mamta Banerjee,
Right.
she plans to meet the CC. Suddenly, like, her movement always is like that. She just goes out, like today in the morning, she
Right.
went out and she actually spoke to the police. And later on, we'll have to really see that in Supreme Court, whether Mamta Banerjee gets a permission and she herself pleads in the SIR case or not.